Hello everybody, hope everybody is doing good. I'm going to share my golden milk recipe with you with all these ingredients that you see right here. So let's get all that together and make a healthy, beneficial golden milk. I'm adding 3 cups of milk to the saucepan, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, 3 slices of ginger root, and I'm going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to let it simmer down for 6 minutes or more, 6-7 minutes let's say, and after that 6-7 minutes I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon is more than enough for 3 cups. You don't want to use too much. And now I'm going to take a whisk and I'm going to whisk it real good so I have no lumps of turmeric in my cup. Look at how beautiful the color is. This milk is really beneficial. It's good for inflammation in your joints. It's good for cough and cold, you know. Alright, so it's almost ready now. That's it. See how beautiful it is? And it smells wonderful. I'm going to strain it straight into the cups. These are 2 cups for me and for my husband, and I'm going to have 1 cup left for one of my sons. I'm sure he's going to come and ask for it. And in those 2 cups I'm going to add coconut oil, and I'm going to add a sweetener. You can use stevia or honey if you want. We'll talk about it after the recipe. There you go. Mix it, and you can drink it real warm, or you can let it cool down a little bit. So it's good. Turmeric has antioxidants in it. It helps with heart disease, fights cancer, good for brain health, good for joint pain, arthritis. And if you don't like the milk, you cannot tolerate, go ahead and make it in the water. If you want to make it in almond milk, that's another option. You can use almond mix because almond milk is high in vitamins, and the ginger roots are very good and beneficial. Also have anti-inflammation properties that I like most. Black peppercorns, you just read it. You can use ghee or you can use butter, and my favorite is coconut oil that I'm using right now. Okay, these are some of the benefits of cinnamon, and these are some of the benefits of honey. It's better than sugar, that's what I can tell you. And this is stevia, also has a lot of benefits. You can look them up. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Q's Basic Cooking.